Hello everyone, Gary here. Today's question is how to install recessed curtain tracks inside TrackTrim. Easy, just read the instructions. Or, I guess I can give you the quick version here. The first step is to prepare the curtain track by drilling holes from the back of the track where you want the fixing points. Follow the curtain track installation instructions for a distance between those fixing points. We recommend that you put an extra fixing point where you will have the curtain stack, as that's usually the section that will take the most load. The second step is to take our fixing brackets, turn in place, and lock it with a small grub screw. In some markets, we have distributors that prepare curtain tracks so that the curtain tracks arrive site already prepared with holes and fixing brackets. Imagine that! How convenient. We provide specific fixing brackets for different curtain track systems, making them flush with the ceiling, independent of the height of the curtain track. When it comes to our recessed profiles, we have two different TrackTrim profiles. One profile has a screw channel that centers the curtain track and that you can fix the curtain track to. The other profile has no screw channel, and instead you fix the curtain track through the back of our profile. When fixing to a flat track, a centralizer can be used to center the track. The last step is fixing screws. When accessing the fixing bracket through the certain curtain track, you want to be careful to not damage the curtain track. We recommend using a curtain track protector so you don't have to worry about damaging the sides. All this information and more can be found on our installation instructions, which are available for download at www.blindspace.com. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Bye for now.